In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subtask in Jira. Subtasks are really helpful when you want to break a larger piece of work into smaller, more manageable items. Instead of tracking everything in one big task, you can create subtasks to divide responsibilities, estimate work more accurately, and keep your team aligned. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic, straightforward way to create a subtask from an existing task on a Jira board. First, make sure you're on your Jira project board, where you can see your list of issues or tasks laid out in columns, usually grouped by status. Take a moment to find the main task or parent issue that you want to break down. This might be a feature, a bug, or any larger piece of work that would benefit from being split into smaller steps. Once you've found that task on the board, click on it. This will open the Issue Details panel, typically on the right-hand side of the screen, or in a full-page view depending on your Jira configuration. Here you'll see details like the summary, description, status, assignee, and other fields. It's important that you're inside the task you want your new subtask to belong to, because Jira will automatically link the subtask to this parent issue. Inside this issue view, look for a plus sign, usually near the area where subtasks or linked issues are displayed. This plus sign is your shortcut for adding related items. Go ahead and click on the plus sign. When you click it, Jira will show a small menu or options list, and one of the options will be to create a subtask. From that small menu, click on Create Subtask. As soon as you do, Jira will open a form where you can enter the details of your new subtask. Here you can give the subtask a clear summary, like a short title describing the specific piece of work. You can also usually add an assignee, a description, and any other fields your team uses, such as priority or due date. After filling in the necessary information, save or create the subtask. It will now appear under the subtask section of the parent issue, helping you and your team track each smaller piece of work clearly and efficiently.